Hi everyone, welcome to another video from Exploring with S&H. Today we're at Brasside, so it's RAF Brasside. It was a munitions base for World War II. It's a massive site just off Franklin Prison. You have to be really careful what time of year you come here because it is a traveller site at the beginning and it's also farmers' land, but it's such a fabulous place with lots of World War II bunkers, as you can see there. So last time I came here we had a bit of a failed explore, so this time we've chosen to come evening. I wish I was on a jet plane. So we've decided to come at evening, and it's quite picturesque actually, isn't it, with all the lovely sun. It's a sunset. So these are security fences. I don't know if I just zoom in, you can see some of the bunkers just through the fence there, but we are hoping to get in a few of them. We're not going to do all of them because they all look the same, but we just want to show you what they look like inside, just to give you an idea. So we're just coming through here. So this tells us that there's eyes. So I think this is supposed to be a little bit of a deterrent. But this is the gates and the entrance. So we're just gonna pop through here and then we're gonna do some exploring. And we'll probably do this one, and there's a one further down. When you come out with these middle ones, you're right in front of the traveller site and it's not worth the risk. So yeah guys, we'll just get through the gates and let's have some fun. Hi everyone, welcome to another video from Exploring with S&H. Today we're at Brasside, which is an old munitions base just outside of Durham. We've tried this before but we got chased by the gypsies on site, so we've come back again today. We are hoping to get in some of these buildings. It's an absolutely huge site. And you can tell it's dusk. Beautiful sunset over there. This was used as a munitions base during World War II. Just to give you a little bit of history about it. But we're just going to wander down to this bunker here. And then we'll get in. Oh. Somebody's little plaything. And the devil. Just thinking these have actually been here since the war. It's crazy. There's some pretty cool graffiti though. Over here. See guys, nature really takes it back. So well built though. just to give you it is a massive site, but we're not going too far out here because there's a traveller's site and they chased us off the last time. Just zoom in on some of them. That one's got a fence around it, so the farmer's using it. And there's a one further back, it's got machinery in it. What a sight though, everybody. Ooh, nettles. I don't know what these gaps are for on these walls. It's so strange that the windows are there, but there's gaps. So if anybody knows what they are, just ask us in the comments. God, you look like a proper ghost just standing there. That was creepy as out that. I don't know what these floor holes in the floor were used for. Oh guys, look at this, man. Lovely little hedgehog. I don't know. I think it's alive. Yeah, it's breathing. I thought it was a snake or something, the way he absolutely squealed. You know what it is? I can't even go through that because of this massive spider web. I'm so bad. We'll try and get round the back, eh? MOS Brasside was a Ministry of Supply ammunition depot built near Durham during World War II. It was used to store explosives and ammunition. It featured concrete bunkers and blast walls connected by rail. After the war, it stored floating naval mines before being gradually decommissioned and abandoned. With nature now reclaiming the site with some cool graffiti art, as you can see, though its layout can be still seen from above or from the roads leading down from Frankland Prison and Finkel Abbey. The Brasside Depot was a vital part of Britain's wartime logistics, providing storage for bulk explosives and ammunition produced by the Royal Ordnance Factories. The site included blast-resistant shelters, concrete bunkers, and a network of rail lines for transporting the munitions safely. You can't see any of the rail lines now, but it's fascinating to think where they were. The depot was a secretive facility intended to be hidden from public view and protected from enemy attack. That's why the bunkers you see on site are all protected by, they've got grass around them, they've got small steps, and they actually go into the ground. Following the war, the site was used to store floating naval mines for the Royal Navy. Over time, like I previously said, the depot was gradually decommissioned and left to the elements. Despite being largely forgotten, MOS Brasside remains a significant piece of modern military history and wartime logistics. It is a massive site that goes on for miles and miles, and it's a shame it is the way it is. If you like our videos, please subscribe and tell your friends.